Hi everyone, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do a crab and prawn linguine. As you can see, very few ingredients. We'll talk about them in a minute. But just for now, I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. In terms of the ingredients, we've got some fennel, lemon, red peppers, there's a green one tucked away in there as well actually, basil, garlic, some onion, a tin of tomatoes chopped, some linguine, a little white wine, some olive oil, and the stars of the show are some white crab meat and some delicious prawns. Let's get stuck in. You might have heard me say red peppers in there, they're actually chilies. Okay guys, let's make a start then. Pan on. Pan on. A little olive oil. And we're going to take this fairly easy, so we'll let the oil warm up and then we'll take the heat down a little bit. And let's get the onions in. The garlic. Again, as normal guys, the ingredients will be later on in the video in terms of quantities and so on. And the fennel. All I've done is literally sliced that fennel. So let's put some of that in there. And just let that soften up for a minute or two. Let's add the chilies, and we've got one red de-seeded chili. Let's add a glass of Italian white wine. It's not really, it's New Zealand Sauvignon, but you know, when in Rome. Let's cook that. Put the alcohol over that. Pinch of salt and pepper. And just wait for that to reduce. And let's add the tin of chopped tomatoes into the sauce. Mix that in. We're just going to let that reduce a little bit. Now is probably the time where we want to put the linguine on. 75 grams per person generally. Takes about 10 minutes in a boiling pan, so let's get that on. Okay, let's add a little basil. Now that's reduced a bit. The linguine is now on. A little trick, if it starts to bubble over, just put a wooden spoon in there and that'll take all of the bubbles away. Okay, little squeeze of lemon. Mix that in. And like I said, something around about 10 minutes for the pasta. So in the meantime, we're just going to let the sauce continue to reduce. So we've got about 6 minutes to go, probably time to warm up the plates. Okay, pasta should be done. Let's just drain that off in a colander. Sauce. I'm going to add the crab now and the prawns just to warm through. Just tip that pasta back into the pan to keep warm. Excellent. With a little bit of the liquor. Get the crab and tomato cooked through. I meant the crab and the prawns, of course. Look at that. Okay, the prawns have cooked through now. I think it's ready to dish up. Let's just let's add the pasta into the sauce now. It's just a case of mixing that in. So prawn and crab linguine done. Let's dish up. A little bit of torn basil. Let's dress that. Another option extra will be, in my case, because as a non-cheese lover, I do love a little bit of grated parmesan. Yeah, so let's just top that off with a little bit of parmesan. So there you go, guys, crab and prawn linguine. Easy, straightforward, very few ingredients, great looking dish, easy to deal with for friends and family. Give it a try. If you enjoy it, give me the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.